Wolves by Ryan Bingham is going to be played in standard tuning, and it should be a pretty easy song for beginners because it's all based around standard open chords, and there are just 4 of them. You'll need to know an E minor, walking to a G major, a C major, and then also there's a D major that's in there. So the opening riff and the verse is going to begin on an E minor. That's an open 6 string, your second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, your ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3, open 2, open 1 strings behind it. And your strumming pattern there will be down up, and the second down up will be higher in the register. The first down up is lower in the register. Down up, down up. The next one is you're going to move with something to the 6 string 2 fret. Ryan Bingham tends to do that by just grabbing with his thumb the 6 string 2 fret. I tend to, out of this E minor, go with my second finger to the 6 string 2 fret. But either way, you're moving E minor to the 6 string 2 fret to then a G major chord. The way that you move to the G major, it's going to be ring finger on the 6 string 3 fret, second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, open 4, open 3, open 2, pinky finger pulled back to the 1 string 3 fret. Here, you'll go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And on that last 2 ups, you're emphasizing the 1 string where your pinky finger is on the 3 fret and the open 2 string. And then you'll move to the C chord. C chord will be ring finger on the 6 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 5 string 3 fret, second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. Here you're doing the same thing. A down, up, down, up, down, up. And the last 2 ups, you're emphasizing the open 1 string, and then the 2 string where now your first finger is on the 2 string 1 fret. And then you go right back to the G chord and do the same thing again. And that's your verse. You just keep repeating that. And then that repeats like maybe 4 times or 6 times as the verse. And then the chorus is going to be C, D, E minor, to a G chord, to a C chord, and then it repeats. C to the D, to the E minor, to the G chord, to the C chord. So the C chord is going to be a down, up on the C chord, to a D chord. That's an open 4 string, first finger to the 3 string 2 fret, ring finger to the 2 string 3 fret, second finger to the 1 string 2 fret. So C to the D chord, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then to the E minor chord. The same E minor chord as before. To the G major, to the C chord. Now moving into the C chord in the chorus, you can hear and see if you watch Ryan Bingham play this, he'll lift up his second finger and hammer on into the 4 string 2 fret, and kind of do that also leading out of the C chord. So like, so that is like a up, down, up, or down, down, but you're hammering on the kind of upbeat with your second finger to the 4 string 2 fret. On this G of the chorus, it's like a down, 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 up, and then a down, 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 up into the C, then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 Then after the chorus, it just goes right back into that verse of... So, those are the chords and the movements and everything that you need to know for Wolves by Ryan Bingham. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.